Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the Anker Soundcore Boom 2, a Bluetooth speaker that promises to pack a punch without breaking the bank. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with the design, the Anker Soundcore Boom 2 doesn't aim to dazzle with its looks. It sports a functional, plastic exterior that feels sturdy enough for outdoor use. It's available in Adventure Green, Explorer Blue, and Phantom Black, catering to different tastes without compromising on simplicity. What struck me right away was its portability. At just under 3.7 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for its size, making it easy to carry around whether you're heading to a beach party or camping trip. Moving on to features, the Soundcore Boom 2 isn't short on tricks. It boasts Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, ensuring quick and stable connections with your devices. One standout feature is the bass-up technology, which enhances the low-end frequencies for a more immersive listening experience. Additionally, it comes with a customizable LED light show, adding a bit of flair to your gatherings. You can choose from various modes like energy, fireworks, and rainbow, syncing the lights with the beat of your music. Now, let's talk about what matters most: sound quality. The Soundcore Boom 2 delivers where it counts, especially in the bass department. Whether you're listening to upbeat tracks or watching movies outdoors, its deep bass response shines through. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The mid-range and high frequencies can sometimes lack clarity, which might bother audiophiles looking for more balanced sound. Still, for casual listening and parties, it holds its ground admirably. Battery life is another strong suit. With up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge, the Soundcore Boom 2 ensures your music keeps going long into the night. Charging is convenient too, thanks to the included USB-C cable. Its user-friendly interface and straightforward controls make it easy to operate even for tech novices. Plus, it's water-resistant with an IPX7 rating, making it suitable for poolside parties or unexpected rain showers. Wrapping it up, the Anker Soundcore Boom 2 proves to be a solid contender in the mid-range Bluetooth speaker market. It offers robust bass performance, long battery life, and a portable design that's perfect for outdoor use. While it may not excel in every aspect of sound quality, its overall package and affordability make it a compelling choice, especially for those who prioritize bass-heavy audio and portability. That wraps up our review of the Anker Soundcore Boom 2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.